Hey, what is up guys? Today unbox natin yung ating Onyx Studio 6 by Harman Kardon. Let's go into it. So, actually marami na akong naging speaker. Marami na akong na-try na speaker and I want to try this out kasi sabi ng mga kasamahan ko dito sa Kardon. Maganda daw turn nito and I want to try it out for myself. So let's see. I hope this guy surprises me, you know. Kasi mataas ang expectation ko dito kasi lahat sila, karamihan talaga sa mga kasama ko 5-star yung rating. If magbibigay sila ng rating, malamang siguro 5 stars. So first impression of the box, actually guys, sa box pa lang makikita nyo na agad guys na napakaganda ng pagkakapresent sa box. And parang hindi siya mumurahin tingnan. Of course, hindi siya mumurahin talaga kasi mahal ito. This cost around 290 when I bought it. Alright, let's go. Check natin yung box. So, meron siya ditong tab. If you can see guys, meron siya ditong tab. It's a plastic tab. It's really easy to open. Sometimes, yung ibang nakikita ko, gumagamit pa sila ng knife or cutter para, well, of course, para mapadali buhay nila sa pagtagal. But you don't really need that kind of equipment or tool dito naman kasi look, napaka-simple plastic tab lang. It's not that too intimidating to open. So yan. So bubuksan na natin siya guys. Let's see. And yan, pag-open mo siya. Meron siya ditong meron pa siya. Uy! Oh, meron nga siya bukasan dito. So let's check and let's see. Some paperwork regarding this Onyx Studio 6. Quick start guide, napakahaba niya. This is a warranty card. If you can see, exclamation point. Charging cable. Actually, ang laki ng charging cable niya guys. Parang pang laptop yung charging cable niya. Yeah, considering naman na malaki din ang speaker na to. And this is the unit itself. Mabigat siya guys. Mabigatan siya guys. Black na speaker guys. Yung texture niya is actually maganda yung texture niya. I really like the texture kasi para siyang tela. Pero water resistant siya. Ang hirap i-describe pero yung feeling niya parang matte na tela. Meron siyang logo sa harap. Sa likod meron siyang auxiliary, power, and service. Let's try to open it guys. Auxiliary guys is regarding sa 3.5mm headphone jack. And the charger, yung nasa gitna, parang siyang maliit na butas. So other than that, let's check kung may iba pang laman sa box. Wala na may ibang laman sa box. 8 hours daw yung playtime ng ating speaker. Then try natin i-test if meron ba siyang charge. Ayan, may ilaw na siya. Subukan man lang natin siya guys. So ano ba ito i-pair? So yung mga buttons siya dito guys, the Bluetooth, subtract volume, power, add volume, then play. That is it for today guys. Testing natin muna to then afterwards we will get back to you guys.